Alright, this is the elevator near the JW Marriott and the Lenox Square in Buckhead, Georgia. Alrighty, go to 1. Door close button works. We like that.
Go with this indicator. Never changes right away.
It's a Kone.
Yeah. You're at 1.
Alright, set us up to 5.
Sounds good.
I think it's just on this side that it works.
Yeah. If you're down, want to take one more trip on it?
Yeah, definitely.
Here we are at 5. Alright, so that's down to 1.
Going down.
Let's go to this indicator this time.
Changes immediately.
Yeah.
First floor.
Here we are at
It's
1.
pretty common on Kones.
Yeah.
If you want to edit on 4?
Yep, let's do that. On the video on 4. Yeah, door close button doesn't work on that side. And while we're here, we'll get a cab view. There's a security camera. There's John.
Hey.
Fourth floor.
Here we are at 4. Wash the door close. There it goes. That's it.